So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to make real money by playing the ball sort puzzle game here on a Swagbucks. So once Swagbucks is opened up, go down to the bottom left and press on the games icon, and then press on the turquoise get started button. It's then going to redirect you to this screen right here where you can go ahead, download games, view different games, and then earn Swagbucks, which and then over time you can exchange that for gift cards. So if you wanted to play ball sort puzzle where it says sort right here, you can sort it by most popular, A to Z, whatever. I believe for me, if I'm not mistaken, it's literally right here. So earn up to 1,714 Swagbucks by playing ball sort puzzle. Now, how you guys can do that exactly is first and foremost, press on it, press on get now. Now, once that is done, if you were to go ahead and just reach certain levels by certain points, you can actually earn the following Swagbucks. And if you just go ahead and complete the game, rank up over time, etc., you can earn Swagbucks and then eventually cash that in if you have enough for real cash. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can make real money by playing ball sort puzzle here on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.